Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Knox Company, and I'm going to show you how to change out the water filters and these air fresheners in your Frigidaire fridge and freezer. This right here is their professional line. They do offer all these filters on their website, and I think it's the best place to get them because you know that they're going to fit. Where you can check your model and put in the information you need to find the filter on the website. You'll find it over here somewhere on the inside of the fridge. One of the first things I'm going to show you is the air freshener. It's like a carbon filter. I noticed some of the food in the fridge was kind of going bad. Maybe the lettuce or the vegetables go bad quick. We didn't know why. I said, hey, it's been a while. We should probably change it. You come up here, and I found that we actually did not ever have any installed, but this is usually where they are, is somewhere in the back of the fridge. At the top where the airflow goes, there's a carbon filter. That'll be something like this, and it sits right inside there, and then we put that back on. For these, this is a drawer, like a vegetable produce. It's a little packet. It's just got some carbon stuff in there. You leave it in the packet, you take this out, and where it actually goes is right here. Again, I went to go pop this off, and I found out that ours did not even have one in there either. But you just slip that packet in there. This helps filter that air. It keeps everything fresh longer. And in case you're wondering, yes, there is something in the freezer. Usually it's not going to be in any of these drawers. It's just simply a carbon filter like the one up top. That's going to be back here as well. Didn't have one installed when we had that. A little disappointing, but glad that we know now. But I did have to look up where it would be. It's very simple. Usually one of the drawers. Up here, there's that carbon filter. These will use the packets. It says to change them out every 6 months. If you ever need to reset it, you can go ahead and hold this down. It'll reset your air filter. It'll do the same thing over here, which I already did. This right here is our water filter, and I'm going to show you how to change this as well. Also, really quick, if you don't know already, I finally got the website up, fortknoxcompany.com. I have my t-shirts up there. They are live. If you want to grab some gear, you can. Everything on there, I design myself, print myself here in this space, and then I can get them out to you personally from me to you. Again, another way that you can support me in the channel and also have some cool gear. Everything does have a flag on the sleeve, so it is a patriotic look. So now they are available in case you want to grab one. Now for the water filter, this is probably one of the easiest ones I've ever had to replace. Remove these two plastic caps. Come over here to your fridge. You literally push it in. Should slide right out. You're going to have the water drops facing up. There's also a little groove here on the bottom. You will slide this back in, and you are done. We already have a reverse osmosis that sends water to this, so I knew I didn't need to change it, but again, this thing kept going off. Hold the button for about 5 seconds, it should reset. That's how easy it is. You can see up here, we have our filter. This is going to go back up. These just slide right in. You can do it in less than 5 minutes. I just did everything. Drawer, carbon filter there. Same thing in the freezer and the water filter. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe. I hope you found this helpful. Again, order it from their website. This is where I found my serial number or what type of model it was. That was the most confusing part. They have a couple different options, but you type it in there and it tells you exactly what you need. Thank you again. See you on the next one.